So next up, guys, got a flatbed truck here coming in from the county. 1999 Chevy 3500. Gas truck, two-wheel drives, automatic transmission. It is an 11-foot flatbed. It's got the tailgate on it. I think it's 96 inches wide outside to outside. You got toolboxes on there, rear receiver hitch. It's got a pretty heavy-duty rear hitch on it, honestly, guys. Obviously been an Iowa truck. Got some rust on it. Interior looks to be in decent shape. It's got heat. Just manual crank windows. 143,000 miles or so showing real low miles. And anytime you get stuff from the county, you know it's had a good maintenance service history. The oil filters, all those things have been changed regularly and on time. So I'm here with Garrett. He'll fire it up, give you a nice demo. Starts right up there. Just kind of spin it around in a big circle for you. All the rubber looks like it holds air. Obviously, older truck guys. If you're looking for just a farm truck, work truck, probably one that's still got some life left. So looks like it does have dual tanks on the flatbed. You got a couple different tanks to fill on that flatbed. Give you forward, he'll back it up. Give you reverse here. Just spring suspension. Kind of a base work model truck, guys. So there's the demo. 1999 Chevy 3500 flatbed, 143,000 miles, just under. Good luck, guys. Auction time at Old 20 Auctions.